The contact center functionality is only available to those that have a Touch Technology contact center license. If you have the license, the option will appear. We'll start with queue management. Queue management shows you any call center queues that are currently set up. You can choose to rename them, and also some headline information about their current activity. By selecting the settings cog, I can look at some more details. I can choose to alter the call strategy from the options that are available. I can choose to change the ring time, the wrap-up time, which refers to the amount of time the agent will be taken out of the loop for next calls that are received, and I can also choose to record calls. There's an option here for auto answer, which means that as soon as a call is presented to an agent, the handset will ring once and then automatically answer the call on their behalf. And also an option to enable or disable the missed calls emails. This allows you to differentiate between calls that go to somebody's individual extension number and their personal preference there, and as a contact center administrator, what your preference is for the entire queue. You may set daily KPIs and targets on the right hand side. And you may also look at in-queue announcements. You can choose to announce a caller's position in the queue and choose how often you wish to hear that message. You can also choose to announce how much the wait time is expected to be. This is taken by looking at the current traffic for that particular day and doing an algorithm to provide a time to the caller. If, however, you wish to play a custom message, move the slider to yes, choose the file that has been saved on your system, and choose the frequency of the announcement. You may also allow the caller to break out of the queue and request a callback. To do so, enable yes, choose which key you wish to enable, and what email address you wish to have the voicemail left on. This means that all voicemails are voicemail to email only and are not stored in an individual voicemail box. We can then look at this particular queue, which agents are assigned, and choose to change their priority. We can choose to add additional agents, remove agents, or also change the routing of the calls from a numerical value to based on skill set. If done by skill set, you can choose which skill set is most important for this particular queue. We will cover off shortly how to set up queue skills. And finally, there is the option to auto pause if an agent misses a call. This means if an agent is unable to answer a call, they are automatically placed into a pause mode, so they will not miss further calls. Upon their return, they will need to access their agent dashboard page and place themselves off unpause, so they continue to consume calls on that queue.